Hey everybody, Mike Santamore here, also known as Precise26 from traders-circle.com. And right now I'm just going to give an update on gold. I'm looking at the 4-hour chart here, and just to recap, we can see that we had broken support area here. We had our head and shoulders break as well. Once that broke, we had our pullback, and our support turned to resistance, and now we've come down and hit the first target area of 1310. So I wouldn't have shorted there myself, but congratulations to those that did. I'm sure you're enjoying your profits now. It was just a little too risky for my liking. Looking at this moving forward now, we can see that the RVI continues to go down, and it is just crashing through the zero level right now. So that could be the indication that we're going to break down further from here. It might come up to resistance first before it does so, and if it does come up to resistance first, it always has the chance to break up. Keep that in mind. This is now a bearish trend. As we can see, the lower highs and the lower lows. I'd like to see that continue. If we come up and test this line again and stop there, it will be another lower low. But if we break it, it will end up being another lower high. And if we break, it will be a new high, a higher high, and that will signal a change in the trend again. But I'm looking at this RVI, and it just looks really sweet for the bears. So I think personally we could set a pending order below this line here, just about a box below maybe. You know, we're going to adjust this a bit here to be more accurate. Make sure your lines are accurate. Draw your own lines. Don't just go directly off of mine. And well, anyways, a one box below the line. So draw your lines. Make sure it's accurate. Always keep it in mind that this on the long term is probably more bullish than it is bearish. So be ready for any type of change in trend fast. Okay. So looking on the daily, we could see it's definitely peaked out like we expected. Soon I'm going to expect something like this, but it'll probably trickle down similar to that. Looking at the moving averages, they have crossed. They're now sloping down. The price just moved below. That's definitely a sell signal for the moving average strategy. Looking at the RVI on the daily, clearly it's tipped right down. We can see a possible break here. I'm not sure if we can really count that. I don't think we can. Doesn't look like anything too important, but maybe that. It's hard to say, so I'm just going to disregard that. Either way, this is looking pretty bullish. I expect it to continue like this until price comes above the moving averages and changes, or we make higher highs and lows. The MFI and the RSI, they still are in bear land, so we're going to continue with bear here, I think. Everything depends on the breaks, okay? So there's no trades to be made right now, in my opinion. We need to get a break down in order to sell, and we need to get a break up in order to buy. And the break up was that line. Sorry. The break up was this line here. Would do the job. Not that line, sorry. Too short of a time frame. This is our key resistance area. If we see a break of this, we can go bull. We're getting a break here maybe, which is fine. It means not too much to me. It just means we're going to consolidate a bit if it does break. We are at that support area here, which I suspected will cause some good support or problems for price to break down, so keep that in mind. But again, the RVI looks good, so I'm expecting more bear. Go with the trend, definitely. Anyhow, I hope this was helpful. Please like, subscribe, and share, and have a great day.